Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Prop House. This week's episode is going to be part of a new series called Prop House Shorts. With this series, we plan to focus on props which are either simple or easy to build, and thus don't take up the time of a full video. For this first episode, we're going to be looking at this mug. This mug is a D&D/medieval themed mug, which is designed to fit a 12-ounce can. With this, you can enjoy the beverage of your choice at your next role-playing event with just a little bit of added flair. This particular model was designed by Ars Morenti 3D and 3D printed by yours truly. Links to the artist page as well as where you can download this are in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the build. To save timing on the sanding and priming step, we decided to combine them in order to create a new process I call siming. With siming, the act of sanding also shakes the can. This means that as soon as you're done sanding, you're ready to prime immediately. With priming and sanding now complete, the next step is to move on to the painting. For painting, we're going to be using this dark brown espresso spray paint. This color will serve as the base color for all of the wooden components of the mug. Alright, so now that the initial base coat is complete, we can move on to the more finer detail painting. To start off here, we'll be painting all of the metal components with a silver acrylic paint. Next, we will be painting the handle portion. We're going to design this to look sort of like an old bone. So for the lower half, we're going to be using this ivory white paint, and then the upper portion will be painted with a combination of the ivory white and this brown paint to create a sort of tan color. We will now combine the brown paint with the ivory white to create a sort of tannish color. This will be used for the upper portion of the handle. For this next section, we're going to sort of weather the bone to make it look like it's been aging, kind of like a decaying tooth. In order to do this, we're going to be combining the ivory white with this yellow paint. This will give it a sort of old aging appearance. Finally, to give the appearance of some dirt buildup on the mug, we're going to apply a brown wash over the entire surface.